Upon arrival on platform 3, secure the train and change ends. When wrong road station starting signal MB25 clears with a green aspect, trains can proceed northbound, observing all speed restrictions. On approach to Baker Street southbound, when signal MB100 clears with a green aspect, trains can proceed to MB14A. Signal MB14A will clear with a green aspect, allowing the train to proceed as far as MB4B. When signal MB4B clears with a green aspect with harbour lights at 45 degrees to the right, the train can proceed to platform 2. Two speed controlling train stops are located in the platform. You can also be routed towards Aldgate from platform 2. Once fully berthed, secure the train and change ends. Station starter signal MB26 will clear with a green aspect, allowing trains to proceed northbound, observing all speed restrictions. D-train passengers at Baker Street, and when station starting signal MB14 clears to a green aspect, proceed to signal A181. You need to pass signal A181 showing a green aspect and proceed to the stopping mark. The diamond stopping mark is located in the forefoot next to signal MB23. Stop, secure the train and cut out the trip cock to prevent getting rear tripped by the train stop of signal A181 and change ends. From shunt signal MB33 there are 3 routes available, displayed by white illuminated discs. Route 1 takes you to platform 6. You cannot fit an 8-car train in platform 6. Route 2 takes you to platform 2. You'll need to pass signal A900 displaying a green aspect at the beginning of the platform. Route 3 takes you to platform 3. Signal MB260 is a draw-up signal.